Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Hi everyone. For special winter days, our chef offers us a new recipe. A quick recipe for roasted pork leg. Let's dive in.
Hello everyone. Today, as you see, we have a big fat pork leg. It's an order for customer. We start to batting the whole bottle of Chardonnay. And here we have salt, turmeric, paprika, pepper, oregano, and cumin. We're gonna mix it all and put it all over this. We have chopped onion and garlic. That goes also on top of this. That's gonna be amazing, especially with the Chardonnay and the onion. At the end, chopped celery. We're gonna add this. All this yummy is gonna help to have a beautiful, tasty and tender pork leg. We're gonna roast it in the oven for 3 hours in 390 degrees. So we're gonna wait for result. Okay, we are going to wrap it. I can already imagine the next half an hour, the taste and the smells is going to be perfect. So let's see you after 3 hours. Okay, our leg is ready. Wow, looks great, smells is wonderful. And I want to design it with some fried potatoes. Gonna be ready to serve. Beautiful leg is ready to eat.